Hi students. Okay, good evening to everyone. We are solving the model question paper that is of the year 2019, which has been given in the month of June, and already we have completed part A, B in one shift, part C in one shift, and part D in the third shift. So totally we are done with 3 shifts now. You can watch that videos on my channel, that is JEE Maths Mantra. So now we are moving towards part E. So quickly all of you join the class so that we can start the class and we can finish our this model question paper 1. Okay. So after completion of this model question paper, tomorrow I will start the second model question paper. Clear? Okay. So that you can just see, we have completed part A, part B, and part C, part D. Clear? Now we have to go for part E. So in this part E, there will be 2 questions, 49 and 50. So 49th question will be with AB and 50th question will be also with AB. Clear? So here, if you want to solve 49th question, you have to write A and B of the 49th question. If you want to write 50th question, you have to write the 50th question A and B. Okay, so be careful regarding that. Don't write A question from 49, B question from 50. If you choose one question, from that only you have to write both the answers, part A and part B. Okay. So now we are moving towards our part E, that is question number 49. So first we shall solve question number 49, that is A. Okay. Prove that integration from A to B f of x dx is equal to integration from A to B f of a plus b minus x with respect to dx. They have given. Okay. Hence we have to evaluate one problem. Very easy. So just see, I will consider integration from A to B f of a plus b minus x with respect to dx. I will consider f of a plus b minus x with respect to dx, okay. So here what I will do, I will put a plus b minus x as t. Okay. Now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of a will be 0, differentiation of b will be 0, differentiation of minus x will be minus 1, and this will be dt divided by dx. So therefore you can write it as dx equal to minus dt, and please remember one important step. Whenever you substitute in the definite integrals, whenever you do substitution in the definite integrals, you have to take care of your lower limit and upper limit. As you substitute t, the lower limit and upper limit will also change. So say that if x is equal to a, that is lower limit, if I put a in the place of x, minus a plus a will get cancelled, t will become b. If x is equal to b, that is upper limit, if I put in the place of x here, minus b plus b will cancel, t will become a. Okay. Now we got our new upper limit as well as new lower limit. We have to substitute that. Therefore the problem will be integration from, see, our lower limit is b, upper limit is a, f of a plus b minus x is t, and dx is what? Minus dt. So write minus dt. Okay. So now this will be equal to, if I want to remove this negative sign, we have to change our lower limit and upper limit. That will be a to b f of t dt. And this can be written as integration from a to b f of x dx. That is property P naught. From property P naught we can use this. In the place of t we can write x, in the place of dt we can write dx. So therefore we got our answer, that is integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x with respect to dx is equal to integration from a to b f of x dx. Okay. So now we have solved the property. Now hence we have to evaluate the problem. Okay, let us evaluate the problem that is given here. You just see, that is integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. Here it is given integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus root of tan x. Okay, so let us do that. Clear? So therefore the problem is integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root of tan x with respect to dx. This is the problem. Okay. Now we can write tan x, root of tan x as root of sin x by root of cos x. So that will be equal to, so you can write this as I. So therefore pi by 6 to pi by 3, you just see this will be root cos x divided by root of sin x plus root of cos x with respect to dx. Okay. So now you can take this as 1, and now what I will do, I will apply the property. By applying the property, what it will be, pi by 6 to pi by 3, you just see, apply the property, that will be a to b f of x dx as a to b f of a plus b minus x. Okay. So therefore that will be root of cos of a value is pi by 6, b value is pi by 3 minus x. Okay, divided by square root of sin of a plus b minus x plus root of cos, in the term of, it will be cos of pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Okay, with respect to dx. So here you can just see that cos of, this is 30 degree plus 60 degree, 90 minus x, that will be sin x. So this is pi by 6 to pi by 3, this will become root of sin x divided by root of, now here you can just see 30 degree plus 60 degree is 90 degree minus x. So sin of 90 minus x will become cos x plus this will be sin x with respect to dx. Call this as 2. Okay. Now adding 1 and 2. See, this will be I. Okay. Adding 1 and 2, I plus I will become 2i. That will be pi by 6 to pi by 3 cos x root of cos x plus root of sin x divided by, this will be root of cos x plus root of sin x with respect to dx. Cancel the terms. Integration of 1 is going to be x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. So if you simplify this, it will be equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. That is 60 degree minus 30 degrees. Again you are going to get 30 degree. Pi by 6. But you see here, you got 2i equal to pi by 6. Therefore I will be equal to pi by 12. This is your answer. Okay. So quickly give me thumbs and smiles if you have understood this, so that we can go for the next problem. Okay. Have you understood this? Very simple problem. Integration properties of definite integrals and one problem on that. Okay. So first we have to solve properties of definite integrals, and next we have to solve the problem. So don't worry. If you are perfect with the formulas, if you are perfect with the techniques, these all problems are going to be very easy. These all problems are going to be very easy. So very nice. All of you are giving the thumbs. That means all of you have understood this. Then we can go for the next problem. That is B. What is the B? Find the value of k if f of x is equal to k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. Okay, so what is given? Problem number B, that is f of x equal to, this is k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. K cos x divided by pi minus 2x, and here you have 3. Okay, yes, x is not equal to pi by 2, x is not equal to pi by 2, and x is equal to pi by 2, and continuous at x equal to pi by 2. So this is the problem. Okay, so now let us see here. Already they have given this is continuous function. Already they have given this is continuous function. That means left hand limit is directly is going to be equal to right hand limit, and that is going to be equal to f of a. LHL is going to be equal to RHL, and that is going to be equal to f of a. See here, f of a is 3, so no problem. LHL is equal to RHL is nothing but limit as x tending to pi by 2 k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. This is LHL equal to RHL. Okay, so now I can simplify this as limit x tending to pi by 2, k is constant, write as it is. You can write cos as sine of pi by 2 minus x. By using the formula, cos can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus x, and pi minus 2x you take 2 common. If I take 2 common, it will be pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so now this will convert for k by 2 into limit x tending to pi by 2 sine of pi by 2 minus x divided by pi by 2 minus x. So therefore this term is going to be 1, that is k by 2 into 1 equal to k by 2. So now we got our LHL equal to RHL, that is a limit of a function. From equation 1 we can write k by 2 is equal to 3, because f of pi by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, so we can write f of a value as 3, so that is going to be k equal to 6. Okay, so k equal to 6 is our answer for question number 49. So very simple problem. Now we can go for problem number 50. If all of you say yes, quickly say me yes, all of you. This is our shift 4. So we have solved all the problems shift wise. So this is our shift 4. And if you want shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, you can go to my channel and you can watch those videos. Okay. Now we can go for problem number 50. A, that is maximize. Okay, I have graph sheet, no problem. Maximize and minimize z equal to 200x plus 500y. So directly I will go for the graph sheet. Here z is equal to 200x plus 500y, 200x plus 500y, and the equation is x plus 2y, x plus 2y, x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10, and another one is 3x plus 4y lesser than or equal to 24. Okay, so they have given only two equations, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. That is nothing but your first quadrant. Very good. Examiner is very good because he has given only two equations, because it is very simple. Okay, if two equations are given, it is very simple to solve. So first solve the equation 1. What will be equation 1? If x is 0, y is 5. If x is 0, you simplify, put x equal to 0, y will be 5. If y is 0, x will be equal to 10. Okay. On the same way, the second equation is going to be, if x is 0, y is 6. If x is 0, y is 6, and if y is 0, x is 8. Clear? Now we have to draw the lines of the equation 1. So first you see the line. I think you got the problem of solving x and y for the first equation as well as the second equation. Now we have to go for the graph. On the graph sheet, you just see this is the line from here. The point is x is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. And here the point is x is 10, y is 0. Okay. And you see the second line. And the second line is x is 0, y is 8. Okay. Sorry, x is 0, y is 6, not 8, 6. X is 0, y is 6. Next, this point is x is 8, y is 0. X is 8, y is 0. So therefore, this is going to be the intersection point. No problem. We have to find this intersection point. Clearly from the graph, you can see that x is 4, y is 3. Clearly from the graph, you can see that x is 4, y is 3. No problem. Let us solve it. So how to simplify this? You just see here. Before simplifying the intersection point, check true or false. Check true or false for the first equation. That is x is 0, y is 5 and y is 0, x is 10. For this line, check true or false. That is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. If I write this, you can just see x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. Okay. So now if I simplify this, if I put 0 and 0, 0 will be greater than or equal to 10. That means it is false. If it is false, you just see it goes away from the origin. If it is false, it goes away from the origin. Okay. So therefore, you can just go away from the origin like this. Clear? No problem. And you check the second one, 3x plus 4y lesser than or equal to 24. Put 0 and 0, it will be 0 is lesser than or equal to 24. So it is going to be true. So if it is true, arrow marks are going towards origin. Clear? So if arrow marks goes towards origin, you can just see the feasible region is going to exist here. So this is our feasible region. This is our feasible region. Clear? This is going to be our feasible region. Here both the arrows are going to intersect. So you have to find this intersection point. To find that intersection point, you have to solve the equations. No problem, we can solve it and we can get the points. So see here, what is the equation? X plus 2y equal to 10. Another equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Okay. So what you do, you can write or subtract by multiplying. You multiply 3 to first equation, you multiply 1 to second equation. So that will be 3x plus 6y equal to 30. 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Now you can subtract this. This 2 will get cancelled. 2y will be equal to 30 minus 24 is 6. So therefore y is 3. Therefore y is 3. If y is 3, you can put y equal to 3 here. 2 into 3 is 6. X will be equal to 4. Okay. You just find x value. X will be equal to 4. You can put in this equation y equal to 3. 2 into 3 is 6. If I take 6 on this side, 10 minus 6 will be 4. So x will be 4. Therefore, x is 4, y is 3. X is 4, y is 3. So one of the line is little bit in light mode, that is not visible because already it is drawn, we can't do anything. You adjust yourself, that line is very light mode, no problem, but you can identify, no worries. Okay, so now you got the point is 4,3. Here point A, okay, here you can take point A as intersection point, that is 4,3, that is 4,3, and B point you can take it as 0,5. B point you can take it as 0,5. C point you can take it as 0,6. C point is 0,6. Now Z equation is Z equal to 200x plus 500y. 200x plus 500y. Put 4 here, what it will be? 200 into 4 plus 500 into 3, 800 plus 1500. I think this is 2300. Okay, 15 plus 8 is 23. Clear? So 15 plus 8 is 23. This will be 2300. 0,5, this will be 2500. 0,6, this will be 3000. Okay, so therefore maximum is 3000, minimum is 2300. Maximum at C 0,6 maximum at 0,6 is 3000. Minimum at A, that is 4,3, is 2300. Clear? So this is our required answer. So quickly tell me, all of you, LPP problem. About LPP problem, have you understood this? The lines, one of the line is little bit light, no problem, but D point here it is not available. D point here it is not available. We are available with only 3 points. There is no rule that the visible region has to be with the 4 points. Visible region can also have 3, it can also have 2, sometimes it can also have 4. Okay, no problem with that. So you just check this once, you also cross verify. Maximum is 3000, minimum is 2300. And you can just see with the equations, one of the equation is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10, so that is going to be false. And the second equation is 3x plus 4y lesser than or equal to 24, that is going to be true. So therefore for visible region you are going to have only 3 points. So here D point is not present. D point is not present. Okay, A, B, C are present. In that 3000 is maximum, 2300 is minimum. Clear? So quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this. Quickly give me thumbs if you have understood this. So we can go for our last problem. We can go for our last problem. Very good. So I will go for my last problem, that is finding the inverse of matrix A. So that is 50th problem B. What is A? 3, 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. And satisfy the equation. That means matrix A satisfy the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Okay. So my dear students, please see here. Matrix A already satisfying the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Once again, there is no need to verify it. Are you getting my point? Already they will be given in the problem only that the given matrix is satisfying the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Okay. Already that is given in the equation. So don't need to solve it. That means don't need to verify it. Directly we can go for solving inverse. So directly we can go for solving inverse by using the equation A square a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. So here you can just see a square will be equal to minus 5a will be plus 5a 7i. Okay, no problem. You write a square as it is. You write a square as it is. A square minus 5a, a square minus 5a will be equal to minus 7i. Or you can change the terms and you can write 5a minus a square will be equal to 7i. Okay. So by taking negative sign on both sides, it will be 5a minus a square equal to 7i. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply a inverse on both sides. After multiplying a inverse on both sides, it will be 5a into a inverse. You can just see a here a square is a into a, here a square is a into a. Here a square is a into a. Minus a square into a inverse equal to 7i into a inverse. So a into a inverse is I minus, here you can see a square is a into a, so that's why you may get confusion here. I will write it as a into a. I will write it as a into a, otherwise you will get confused. Okay. So now a into a inverse will be I into a will be a. That will be equal to 7 times of I into a inverse is a inverse. Okay. So now you can just see a inverse is going to be equal to 1 by 7 times of 5i minus a. A inverse is going to be equal to 1 by 7 times of 5i minus a. So therefore a inverse equal to 1 by 7. You can just see 5 into I will be 5005 minus a. Minus a is given. Minus a is given as 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay. So now a inverse will be equal to 1 by 7 into 5 minus 3 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. So therefore a inverse will be equal to 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7. So this is your inverse. Okay. So solving a inverse is very easy. Solving a inverse is very easy. First you simplify this equation. As a square, directly you can write this equation. You can skip this, directly you can write this. 7i you keep here only. Take minus 5 on this side, it will be plus 5. A square on this side, it will be minus a square. So take this equation. Here a square is written as a into a, no problem. Multiply a inverse on both sides. Multiply a inverse on both sides. So by multiplying a inverse on both sides, a inverse into a is I, a into a inverse is I into a is a. A inverse into I is a inverse. I means identity matrix. So 5i minus a equal to 7 into a inverse. Take 7 on this side, it will be 1 by 7 into 5i minus a. 5 into I is 5005. Okay. And a is given 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So now from this you can take 5 minus 3 is 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, 5 minus 1 is 2, 3. Okay. Sorry, 5 minus 2 is 3. Clear? So by taking this, you will get your A inverse. So many of students, first what they do, they satisfy this. Don't need to satisfy this, because in the problem only they will give. The matrix A is satisfying a square minus 5a plus 7i. The meaning of that is already it is satisfied. Don't need to again solve it. Directly you take the equation, you simplify it and find the A inverse. That is enough. Okay, so my dear students, successfully we have completed our what, model paper 1, that is June 2019. June 2019 model question paper we have successfully completed. So all of you go through it. I will share the PDF. If you want, refer it and share the videos as much as possible to your friends. And who all not subscribed the channel, you can subscribe it. If you like, you can click on like button, and you can also click on bell icon for to get the notifications. And from tomorrow I will start the another question paper, model question paper 2. Clear? So for solving model question papers, you have to be very perfect with formulas, concepts, theoretical clarification, that all you have to go. Okay, so daily I will solve new model question paper. Don't worry, I will solve new model question paper only. Don't worry about it. So now, yes, examiner definitely they will give 4 marks for this. We have solved according to the problem. Examiner definitely they will give 4 marks for this. Clear? So quickly, all of you, are you happy with this? Are you happy with this? Quickly tell me so that we can go for new question papers daily. And thank you everyone. Be safe, be at home. And I also today solved one previous year questions of JEE mains PYQs. Go through PYQs video, because I have solved nearly 10 questions from the JEE mains of the year 2020 and 2019. On both ways you can prepare for board exam also, you can prepare for your theory exams also. Okay, so I have solved PYQs from JEE mains, that also you can go through it. Okay, so thank you, meet you tomorrow.